Welcome back. We're going to talk about goal setting. My goal setting is not conventional to what you normally see as far as setting goals, making them obtainable, measurable, reachable, things like that. I'll explain myself. I'm a big believer in Grant Cardone, what he teaches. He has a book called the 10X Rule. 10X Rule is about sales, it's about setting goals, it's about your activity. And I'm a big believer in what he teaches. So we're going to talk about setting big goals. And in the manual and the course, you'll see the goals that I'm talking about. So we want to set big goals, look to the future, but really when we get started, we want to focus on getting that first client, and then that second, then the third. All right. So we're going to take them one step at a time, but we want to write down our goals, and we don't want to get lost in the details. We want to write out in the future what we want, and think of it as about 10 times what you normally want. If you want a $3,000 a month income, set a goal of $30,000 a month. That way, if you make $10,000 a month, you're going to be happy with that. But don't get lost in the details. Don't worry about how you are going to get there. Write it down, read it every day, write it down in the morning, write it down in the evening. That's what I do. So we want to go to work right now. So this is the first step. You're going through this course. I want you to go through it a couple of times, and then that way we can start to begin the process of getting that first client. So like I said, make that goal to set your get that first client, then the second, then the third, and then you can go. The sky's the limit. And when I say don't ever premature the outcome, don't ever think, well, geez, I'll never get there, and then settle for less. Never settle. Never settle for less. Always shoot for the stars. Live in the now. Take action now, and you're going to be successful at this.